Hello everyone, welcome back to Gowri kitchen. Today we are going to see how to make mushroom capsicum curry. Before going to the video, if you are new to our channel, please do like, share and subscribe. Thank you. Now let's see how to do it. Take 3 teaspoons of poppy seeds, 10 garlic pieces and small piece of ginger, 2 green chili, grind it to a fine paste, 400 grams of mushroom and 1 big onion sliced to big cubes, and all other ingredients I will tell you later. In a kadai, take little oil, fry the cubed onions until it turns golden brown in color. In the same pan, no need to add extra oil. Let's fry the mushrooms by adding little salt to it. When the water in mushroom gets released, you can keep it in high flame and wait until the water gets evaporated. Meanwhile, keep another pan. To that, add little oil. For tempering, take a small piece of cinnamon, little fennel seeds, 1 bay leaf, and now let's add the ground masala paste. Fry them well until the oil gets separated. Now our mushrooms got perfectly cooked. When oil got separated, let's add 2 cups of big onions thinly sliced. I have took 5 big onions for this. When the onions turn transparent, let's add tomato puree 2 cups. For this, let's take 5 ripened big tomatoes. Add little oil to this because we have added only 2 tablespoons. Cut 1 capsicum and fry them in 1 tablespoon oil. To this tomato puree, while sauteing, let's add 1 teaspoon chili powder, 1 teaspoon garam masala powder and turmeric powder half teaspoon, required amount of salt. Mix them and fry for a while. Now let's add the fried onions, fried mushrooms and fried capsicum along with handful of kasturi methi. Mix all the ingredients together. Now let's add half cup of water to bring it to a gravy consistency. If you want, you can skip this. Check whether the salt and other spice level is correct. Garnish with coriander leaves. If you like this, please do like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.